Hey guys, Aiden here, and I'm going to be teaching you on starting making Java programs. Now, you should already have Eclipse and Java installed, as well as the Window Builder Eclipse Marketplace add-on. So, first we're going to do File, New, Java Project. Project name, we'll type in Hello World. Finish. It's gonna create the project real quick. Now we should be able to open where is it? Guess that's not working. I'll just create a new one. There we go. And delete. Okay. And this one. Now you shouldn't have anything in here, and all this is just going to be confusing. Just go ahead and close that. You want to go up to here, create new visual class, swing, JFrame. And you want to have the source folder selected. And you can type in hello world. Boom. And for package, you can type in hello world 2. So I'll just go ahead and type in hello world. And you can just ignore that if you want. Or you can do what it says, it doesn't matter. And now, this should pop up. Oh boy, that's a lot of stuff. Don't worry, this is the actual code of the thing. We'll be getting into this probably next video. Today we're just going to be, we're just going to be using the window builder. So you want to click design down here, and it should say like processing, parsing information. That might take a while. In my case, it'll probably take a bit longer than a while, due to the fact that I am also recording. Once that loads up, you can go ahead and maximize this if you want. I'm not going to because I dislike that. But in here, I recommend just going ahead and selecting this and putting it there. And then you want, we'll just go ahead and put a J label, stick it right there. Hello world. Yeah. Want to make it a bit bigger. If you see the ... like that, you won't be able to see the entire thing. And you can control save, and then control F11. And there you go. Hello world. Now that was a bit easy. So let's add something. Let's make it interactive. Gonna go ahead and save real quick. Let's add a button. Let's put it right there. Let's make it FlipFlop. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and set the text to nothing. Actually, we'll just say FlipFlop. And then I can show you the font. Font bold 16. Let's go ahead and make it pretty big. Nice and big. Let's make the window a bit smaller. Not that small. Alright, and save. And then let's also add let's add the J label. Say hi. Just hit enter. Make this a bit bigger. And then here we can scroll down and type in flip. Enter. Select it, move it, center, and then that's good, and then set it right. Yeah, right there is good. And then also add another J label right on top of it called flop. And then we also want to go ahead and make that centered. Save. And then here we can do add event handler, action performed. And this is just going to be really quick. I'm just barely going to delve into this. Want to take this, drag it up. Oh no. There we go. Drag it up a level. Right, well that didn't work. Then we want to type LBL. You want to type in this thing, so new label dot set visible true. Set that under the flip one before the content. Right above the content pane, you want to type in LBL flop dot set visible and for this one you want to type false. Go ahead and save that, and I'm just gonna take all this text, copy and set it above here, so it's gonna be the two different J labels and then the J button. And then in it, we want to say if label flop dot is visible equal to false, LBL flop dot set visible true, and LBL here I'm just gonna that's Control F, by the way, to bring this menu up. copy that, enter Velcro, backspace true, false, true, and then we should be able to do the run thing. And I guess I messed up. Oh, else if, and then run it. And then when you click it, it should say flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. Right? And to get rid of these errors, you want to hit Control Shift and O all at the same time. Boom. Click out of that. It's never used, so you want to delete that. Save. And then this one, it's probably going to ask for a sterilized. No. Serial version. So then you just want to hit add, that. Save. And there will be no more errors. And then that's that. If you run it, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. And you can just close it. And if you want to name it, you just do frame.set or maybe that's title. Yeah. So up here now you'll notice it says hi. And we can change that to FlipFlop. Nope, wrong button. FlipFlop. And in order to save that, I'm actually gonna minimize, create a new folder. Gonna call it YouTube Java Projects. And you need to hit File, Export, Java, runnable Java file, runnable jar file. Launch configuration, set it to your thing, the hello world thing. Export destination, desktop, YouTube Java Projects, and name it, let's say, FlipFlop. And it should save, but as a .jar, you save, finish, minimize, and if you look in here, to FlipFlop.jar. So that's your first program. It's pretty cool. We're gonna be getting into more code related stuff next time, but that's all for now.